Did you know? Australia is wider than the moon. It snows metal on Venus. Koalas have fingerprints similar to humans. The heart of a blue whale weighs more than 1,000 pounds. Avocados are technically fruits, not vegetables. Bananas are slightly radioactive. Dolphins use distinct whistles to identify each other, like names. Honey never spoils. Octopuses have 3 hearts. About 10% of people are left-handed. Rats can laugh, they make tiny chirps. Anteaters don't have teeth. Birds are descendants of dinosaurs. Chocolate was once used as currency. Crocodiles can't stick out their tongues.